Welcome to my channel. Today I will show how to install CentOS 8.1 to VirtualBox 6.0 with Guest Edition. Guest Edition means full screen plus file sharing facilities. Okay, here we see some step. Now I am going to step number 1, download CentOS 8.1. Just go to the Google and write down download CentOS 8, and here you see centos.org. Just I am click on it, and here option CentOS Linux DVD ISO and CentOS Steam DVD ISO also here are available the via torrent. Okay, now I am going to the DVD ISO. Here you see lot of mirror here. Just I am going to this mirror. You see here is the 7 GB and 7 GB. Just I am going to the click and already downloaded. Though I already downloaded this CentOS iOS, okay, you see this I already downloaded. Okay, this size is 7.3. okay, so now I am going to the step number 2, download, install and open VirtualBox. Though I already download and install VirtualBox, now I am going to the open VirtualBox. Just click on it. You see this is the VirtualBox environment. Okay, then configure VirtualBox for CentOS 8.0 as per instruction. You see here you see the new option, new button. Just I am click on new button, then right here CentOS 8.1. okay, its automatically type and version is APR Red Hat and Linux. Okay, CentOS is similar to CentOS is the Linux and it's similar to Red Hat version 64-bit. okay, just I am going to the next, and right here memory, here I put the 4 GB memory. Just go and create VirtualBox hard disk, default, create, then it's also default, just next, and dynamic allocation, next, and you see file location and size. Now I am going to the file location into my E drive VirtualBox. Just create a folder CentOS 8.1. okay, just click on it and save, and file size here I wrote 20 GB, 25 GB. Just click on next. okay, then again go to the step number 4, go to the setting, then again configure as per given instruction. You see just click on it and go to the settings, or you can go to the from here. okay, just I am going to here, and this is the general instruction, and go to the system, then unpack this one and go to the down, and pointing device, this is the most important for everyone. If your mouse is PS2, then you supposed to select this one. If your mouse is USB, you have to select the USB tablet. okay, without this it is not possible to set up with the help of the mouse. Just going to the processor option, here I 4 core, and as it is display, just I am going to the increase this one. okay, just storage, now I am going to the select the empty and select, you see choose virtual optical disk, and I am selecting the our ISO file CentOS 8.1 and 1911 64-bit ISO file. Just click okay, then as it is everything. okay, just going to the click. okay, then step number 5, then start CentOS to install and follow instruction, follow my instruction. Just going to the start. okay, here two option is there. One is the install CentOS Linux 8, another is the test the media, then install CentOS 8. Just I am going to the test the media. At first I need to check my media is okay or not. okay, you see here is the checking bottom left corner side, checking 0.11. It takes small time to check. okay, now it's starting. okay, you see starting installer, and one moment, just wait a little bit. Okay, here you see welcome to CentOS Linux 8. So what language would you like to using during the installation process? I am selecting the English language. So if you want to choose another language, you can select from here. Okay, just click on continue. Okay, here you see the localization, software and system. Keyboard US English is okay for me. Language United States is also okay for me. And just I am going to the date and time. Just I am select on the Dhaka. Okay, Asia Dhaka. Then installation media, already previously I selected installation media, no need to. Server UI, GUI, then it's already selected as per default. Just going to click on done. Then I am going to the installation destination. Just I am click on it and just double click on it. You see automatically. Just click on done. Just KDump is default. Now I'm going to the network and host. Just click on it and just on this one, you see there is the IP is automatically appeared. Okay, now just click on done and easy. Just I'm going to the being install. You see here, the button. Just I'm click on the being install. Installation already being, you see, creating the swap and another partition here. And two option is there. One is the user settings, one is the root password, and another is the user creation. Just I am going to the create the root password. Here I put the root password. Okay, done. And user creation, just I am full name. Just here username and make this administrator, user administrator. Just again password and put password. Okay, just click on done. You see preparing the transaction from the installation source. Okay, it's wait a little bit. Okay, you see this is the installing the RPM. Okay, here is the 1331 RPM. Okay, basically it takes some time, on average 10 to 15 minutes. Now RPM installation has been finished. Now I'm going to the click on boot. Okay, you see the reboot. Okay, just click on reboot. And another important things, unmount the CD drive and reset. Okay, just wait a little bit. You see, just I am going to the optical drive and remove the disks from force unmount. Okay, and again go to the view, machine, then reset, then just click on enter. Okay, after reset, you see here is the license information. Just click on it and accept terms and condition, license agreement, and done. And you see here is the finish configuration. Just click on the finish configuration. Okay, now you see text study. Now I am going to log in with my credential. Okay, you see this is the CentOS 8 environment. Okay, so step number 7 has been done. Okay, just you see here is the little bit information. Just going to the next and skip and go start using the CentOS Linux. Okay, just click on it and close, finish. Then we are going to the step number 8 for VirtualBox guest edition. That means full screen window plus file sharing. File sharing. This is the most important for VirtualBox. Okay, so for the enable the guest edition, we have to follow this step. Okay, just I'm going to, you see here is the, at first you need to log in the root privilege. Okay, just I'm going to the, you see the active here, see active, then go to the terminal and sudo put the IP. Okay, you see this is the root privilege. Okay, sorry, root user. Okay, now I am going to step number B. DNF update kernel. Just I am writing here DNF update kernel. Okay, just click on it. You see it's downloading. Okay, just I'm to put here y, yes, that means 52 MB file. Just going to the put, yes. Okay, now I'm going to press Y. Now it is installing and updating. Okay, so step number B has been done. Now I'm going to the reboot. Okay, just write it reboot. Okay, okay, just click enter, then again login with my credential. Okay, then step number C, you see, click device, install guest edition on VirtualBox, then cancel. Okay, just you see here is the device option. Okay, just at first you need to check, just click on insert guest edition CD image. Okay, and another information, if optical device, this is the enable, you have to remove from this at first, then you click on this. Okay, just because this is the till now this is the disable, so I didn't do this anything from here. Just I'm going to the insert guest edition CD image, just click on it, wait a little bit, just cancel it. Okay, no need to run. Then here's the option D, just I'm going to the just okay, sorry, you see this is the root. Okay, okay, now I'm going to step number D, just right here mkd media VirtualBox. Okay, and mount this one, mount -r dev cd-rom, then media, then VirtualBox. Okay, then okay, now I'm going to step number E. Here you see, just write this one and enter press. Here you see I just press enter. Okay, and I will share this step by step list with my description box. Okay, so you will get from my description box. Just click Y. Okay, now I'm going to step number F and install this repository. Just click on enter. Okay, you see this is the downloading and installing. Okay, now I'm going to press Y. Here total 127 packages, so it need to be time to install and update. Now I'm going to press Y again. Okay, installation has been done. Now I'm going to step number G. Okay, just right here and press enter. Just clear and just press enter. Okay, now I'm going to step number F. Okay, just export kern underscore dir. Okay, just okay, now I am going to step number I, just cd media VirtualBox. Okay, then just run it b bbox li. Okay, just this one. Okay, oh, it's need to be administrative privilege. Okay, just I'm going to again so and go to the password, then again cd media virtual box, then bb box linux, then click. Just wait a little bit. You see, okay, has been done. Okay, just I'm going to the click view and full screen mode. You see, full screen mode is appear. Okay, so now I'm going to step number K. Just go to the root directory and you unmount media.virtualbox. Okay, and eject dev srg. Okay, so now going to step number 9, enable file sharing folder and reboot. Okay, just I'm going to the, you see here is the device, just go to the drag and drop. Here has to be select the bidirectional and clipboard also share the bidirectional. Okay, so but two are already selection. Then I'm going to the reboot. Just reboot. Now I'm checking the file or text sharing. Just I'm going to the active here. You see, just go to here and just text editor and just I'm copy as for example this one. You see, this is the paste. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. If you have any question, please let me know as soon as possible. I'll get soon. Thank you.